ẹ̀yin Yomi ẹ wo tá tí mo wá fún wa lẹ́nu ṣe kí ni ó lágbára ẹ má wo tìgìlẹ̀ yẹn fìyẹn lẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀ wípé gbogbo wa la mọ̀ wípé Yomi Fabiyi ń ṣiṣẹ́ àbáwọn kan tẹ̀sí sọ pé yẹn kò ṣiṣẹ́ ìgbà kan àwọn kan now you can see it that it's working ṣe mọ̀ wípé gbogbo wa la mọ̀ wípé ìyá Mohbad ń pariwo lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì yìí pé Yomi Fabiyi ló wá gbọ́mọ òun o kìíní kan ìgbà kan bla 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 ẹ wo ó ṣe kí ni ó lágbára gidi gan ni mo wá fẹ́ kẹ́ wá gbọ́ bí Yomi Fabiyi bó ṣe ṣàlàyé àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan àti nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ wo máa yẹn mo gbèdì fún gidi gan ni ó ń ṣe iṣẹ́ bí iṣẹ́ bó yẹ kó ṣe ṣe àwọn tí wọn ọ̀dẹ̀ lè ṣe lọ́kàn jókòó sórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì tó ń ba aṣẹ́ tí màá yẹn ṣe nígbà kan mo mú kan wá fún ẹ pé nǹkan báyìí ló ń sọ nǹkan báyìí ló ń ṣe àwọn tó jókòó sórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì tí wọn ò ṣe nǹkan kan kọ́ ẹ wo ẹ má jẹ́ gbà wá lákòókò ẹ wá lọ gbọ́ bí Yomi Fabiyi bó ṣe ṣàlàyé ẹ já wá lọ gbọ́.
lórí social media tó dé fẹ́ fún àwọn yẹn fẹ́ deceive àwọn yẹn. I am an advocate of human rights. I believe in human rights. That was what I protested against. Nígbà case Baba Ijesha tán ni mo support Baba Ijesha. He has right to bail. And I said he has right to bail. Let the man allow get his bail. So báwo lè yẹn kọ́ máa ṣe wá wòsùn sèmi tí mo ṣe protest tán ni mo support the pedophile. And because of that particular uncouth, unprofessional, ill-informed lawyer, I'm an activist. I was fighting. I was protesting that bail is a fundamental human right. Kò sí crime tí kò sí bail. It depends on the judge. I cannot decide for any judge the bail condition to for anybody. See, judge might grant your bail. How the person perfects the bail, meets the bail condition, it's none of my business. If the judge is satisfied, it's not me. I will only want to say teba lo fake. See over the pay any year own nimilara totin frustrate the case. If I am forced to go and dig deep into who is being used as the guarantor, most of our to be ẹ ṣe fáwọn tí ó bá tẹ bá ti lọ ṣe fake wọn yẹn tó bá ti bá di pé ó di lọ́la tí mo rí pé ẹ ṣe kà yẹn you cannot mess up in my case because this is what this man has done. So it's quite simple. They have to give them bail because Saturday, Sunday, Monday, LB, all of my no conga. The reason why people will say I want your pie soon, okay? If there is a reason, like I was told that there could be reason to seek extension, which, of course, I don't want to go into that details. Immediately, if that one is down and whatever that is going on, I don't want to even go in that. Tobati, Jojade, if that one takes effect, because I will tell anybody fake pa. To the one somewhere, Sheba Tafun bail, you are still under investigation. Koko Benipe, if we ask you to come tomorrow, ask you to come on Monday, tó bá ti yọjú wàhálà máa ṣẹlẹ̀ tó bá ti yọjú irú sí tó bá ní come back tí level ti wà ńlẹ̀ and they have gone further to get an extension, you might not be going home. You can't be going home. They don't know. So at the end of the day, what they don't understand is that they won't tell you the truth. But you are under investigation. Most of your things that is needed to get the truth out is not in your Etunwagbo. One is so tough. Gbogbo àwọn méjèèjì everything tough. Gbogbo life wọn gbogbo bí tí àṣírí wà ó wà lọ́wọ́ ọlọ́pàá tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ lórí ẹ̀. But what will they be doing there until they extract it out? They didn't use sickness, they are only deceiving you. They are only saying let's use sickness, whatever. The cocoa is they have right to bail. This thing is very simple. Because we don't have, the police doesn't have what they have yet. When the police are ready with King White, they put him to court. Even when the same woman is trying to cajole, she said she begged me. Ebetobe will stop keep come the court. When it is time for if the ongoing investigation in the next couple of days or weeks shows that Adura has something, a case to answer, and the evidence is extracted, you will see what will happen. Court. So whatever the case may be, they will come out and deceive you all and make it look like they are, when criminals are ill-informed and they are being given their rights, they will assume that the system is patronizing them and they are better. I can't even understand. Nigeria being okay, this person is okay, go and take the person to the hospital. And I mean, hospital. Case because hospital is the case. So please, Nigerians, please guys, don't fall for all these people that are saying all this. And that's why they could leave their house and say, let's go and insult people because they want to talk about us. I want to get and at the end of the day, what do you want to say to Arifa's case? The same thing they enjoyed. If Arifa was brought into police station and they look at a petition against him, they look at, is it a petition with evidence or petition with non-evidence? Okay, Erika, I arrest you. Odebi, I will petition or Otoko, no evidence. The petitioner is not here. If the person come with a reliable person, Toba Drofun, until they will need the person again, they will release. Because police cells are small. And even prison, we don't want congestion. Until the right people, I can say, until the right people belong to the cell are admitted into cell by way of judgment. I always advise, allow people to go and don't let them, mess around. Don't let them just be eating government money. Police cell. And the moment the police hold you beyond 48 hours and they do not have, sometimes when police apply for extension, it's not automatic. Police might detain you day 1, day 2, and when they rush to say let's go and get extension, the judge will ask, what do you have that will make me approve this extension? Is subject to judge discretion. The judge will still look at it. I don't know who you want to hold. What if the person you want to hold is the son of a governor? What if the person you want to hold is every human being deserves a human right? Now, if I give you extension and it turns to a wala, maybe you just want to take that to, so show me evidence. Oh, we are still doing this. Okay, you know what? For what you have put up here, I think I don't want to do it. Don't be in a hurry. Get your fact. When you get it, come back again. I will approve it if you want to hold the person. Let me see why the person is to be held. So if the police does not have it, and the lawyer is asking, can we get the bail for our client? Or you show us reason why you want to hold this person beyond this time. There must be a document to prove that you have been allowed to hold this person beyond this time. If you don't have it, if police wait or try to do it and they don't have it, the police will look at it, it's becoming a criminal offense. So and they will come out and say different things. So in the case of King White, he's facing 4 count charges, and then the trial starts on the 4 count charges. Even on the day that is charge number 012/2005, Commissioner of Police versus Kole Show. Hello, hold on guys. Hello, who is there? Okay. Just put it here. This is my live show. So it's Commissioner of Police versus Koleosho Ibrahim Damilare, male, 40 years. Count 1. That you, Koleosho Ibrahim Damilare, male, and others at large, on 15th January 2025 at the hotel Ikeja, Lagos. I just said the hotel, you know the hotel. In this Lagos district, this did conspire amongst yourself to commit an offense to wit conduct likely to cause breach of peace, cyberstalking, and threat to life, and thereby committed an offense punishable under Section 411 of the Criminal Law of Lagos State 2015. Yes, at large. They know, you know, we have names of people that are at large, and that, as you all know, investigation is going on. As soon as police gets them, they will drop them in court and they will join the suit. So there is no hiding place. When someone wants to really understand what is going on, you know. Number 2, that you, Koleosho Ibrahim, male, and others at large on same date, time, and place in the aforesaid magistrate district did conduct yourselves in a manner likely to cause breach of peace by attacking and obstructing one Yomi Fabiyi, male, of Break the Silence Foundation while on international press conference at Radisson Hotel Ikeja, and thereby committed an offense punishable under Section 1681D of the Criminal Laws of Lagos State of Nigeria 2015. Count 3, that you, Koleosho Ibrahim Damilare, and others at large on September 12, 2024 at 12:51 hours in the aforesaid magistrate district did threaten to kill one Yomi Fabiyi and Break the Silence Foundation by sending a threatening message via WhatsApp handle to his phone, and thereby committed an offense punishable under Section 56 of Criminal Law of Lagos State of Nigeria 2015. Then count 4, that you, Koleosho Ibrahim Damilare, and others at large on same date, time, and place in the aforesaid magistrate district did cyberstalked one Yomi Fabiyi of Break the Silence Foundation by WhatsApp text through means of handset, which is grossly abusive, inconvenience, danger, insulting, criminal intimidation, entity against the person of Yomi Fabiyi, Break the Silence Foundation, and thereby committed offense punishable under Section blah 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 of Cybercrime Prohibited Prevention Act 2015. So, and you know, it was assigned, and the case is now before the Honorable Magistrate Aluba. It's before Magistrate Aluba in Tinubu Court in Lagos. And you know, if they do anything to, I don't know, but I'll be speaking with my lawyers. If they think that particular place naturally is that, we might ask that you could just apply that the case should be taken off that particular court to a bigger court that can listen to the case, you know. And so whatever the Mama Mohbad has said tonight, it's already recorded, it has been sent to me. So, you know, and the police, they are aware, so that because police were part of those mediating with her, and then I thought she was remorseful, I thought she was genuine, and then whatever the case may be, justice for Mohbad is sacrosanct. But there is no way we want to get justice for Mohbad. There are some certain individuals that they are throwing themselves, you know, they throw themselves, and they're still throwing themselves before the real perpetrators and the targets. So they are making the journey slower. So if they are not taking off the road, if you don't take them away, we will not get to the real people that took Mohbad's life. So at the end of it, no, I never trusted her. You know, I just gave her benefits of the doubt. You know, I didn't ask her to beg me. I didn't know why she was begging me. I just have to look at, okay, I just want her to know that and even at that, the police, I made her understand that please tell her how many times have I written to the police to look for Adura and give him police protection, because I thought Adura needed protection. Thank you so much. Silence is good. So unfortunately, even at that, when I repeated it, collector say your Adura aloba omo kekere ni only the protection efuniabo. Because I still believe that with the way they keep saying nkoma shadura nkonse I won't lose omo keji. What is my, why would I want you to lose your own child when I'm fighting for one that was lost? Shouldn't make any sense in it. I don't know how people just put unnecessary sentiment to all matter. How can I be fighting for one that you lost, that so that it will not repeat itself again? And then she thinks that emitimo joko mi jege tawa message me, and for whatever it is, the handle that was used to message me, it is the original handle for Adura. The phone, can it be phone me any damola too low? We can say probably he is trying. Phone yet belongs to Adura. And yet time to phone yet low Lord damola, but little Lord Adura. It's time to Lord Adura is so long that it's very difficult to even establish that it belongs to Damola. Thirdly, the content that Damola, you claim Damola wanted to use to defraud me, belongs to Adura, and you have seen it before. And that content, now we are beginning to see that it contains violence that involves Mohbad, the wife, and the third person, Zomo. Make it make sense. How will the Damola come to say I own the video? He cannot claim ownership. And I cannot go to him and say, even when he was saying, oh, I deleted the video, I said, you are joking. Police told him, you are joking. You are playing with him. Murder charges, Noviche. He doesn't even know what is on ground. They don't know. They are playing, they still do not understand life. You cannot tell that, okay, you are part of those people that took the body to the hospital when he was declared BID, and you want to claim that you are the same person that wanted to defraud somebody with the same thing. That I have a video of how Mohbad was pushed and he knocked his head on the floor. If that is you, and then they ask you for the video, the Bashin Soro, you see, they still don't believe that, or they still don't think that no matter who you bring into the matter to explain to me, the best way is to show me. If you want me to change my narrative, if you want me to keep quiet or stop mentioning, then show, if it is you that show me the video. If you come up with a story that I have deleted it, you are now deceiving yourself more and making the case worse. Because you will keep messing yourself up. How can you delete such? Ṣé wọ́n ló wà nú ẹni? Kí ló delete ẹ̀ fún? At least it is an original video. And you want to claim responsibility. How can they charge you to court for anything? The video to fi gbá mi, the video to fi impersonate, the content of the video is empty. So where is the basis of the case? In Ogba Magistrate Court. So at the end of the day, you guys still do not understand what you're doing. And there's somebody who thinks that if that comes true to me, yeah, it can be retrieved. I know we're going to retrieve it. But with what they are saying, he has written a statement. He has been processed. But the fact remains that going home temporarily is your fundamental right. After 48 hours, you should be granted bail. If you will not go home after 48 hours, The onus is on the police to go to court, seek an injunction that, oh, this person we are having here, this and what that we are investigating. If this person should go home, it will affect our investigation. If this person is allowed to go home on bail, it will be this. So please grant us more time to hold this person. Then the police will hold you. And let's be honest with ourselves. The time of the application is falling to Friday, and probably before the result comes out, which probably if they want to apply on Friday, if it doesn't come out on Friday, it might come up on Monday. But holding them throughout the weekend and look at these people, because it's the standard that if anything happened to them without that court order, after 48 hours, the police will be held responsible. Just like when you saw okay, Kiniko Olatunji died in the police cell. You don't hold people because you must be sure. That's why, whatever the case may be, everyone is you see, except you want them to use the conventional pattern of torture, and it is not torture that we are looking at that they should use. We know that the best way is a meticulous investigation. But these people will go around and be jubilating and be telling you because they granted them their right. Bail is your right. Complainant kan ló máa decide bóyá o máa gba bail àbí o ní gba bail. Adájọ́ ló máa decide. And there is no way I will change my principle and say don't grant King White bail, don't grant Adura bail, don't grant. Why would I be angry that they granted them bail? Nígbà tí mo pé case tàfẹ́ bá King White tàbá bá ṣe tán. Bó ṣe fẹ́ sọ pé òun wọnú hall yẹn o tí fídíò wà. Bó ṣe fẹ́ lóun ò disrupt fídíò wà. Ọlọ́pàá ti ṣe investigation wọ́n ní ò ní invitation. You were not supposed to be there in the first place. Gbèsè tó ti dá mi ti wà ń bẹ̀. Radisson Hotel came to actually witness. So how you want to finish the case and say, okay, I have right to do what I did. Show me where is in the constitution. Let me see the judge that will say, oh, you have right to do what you did. And irú èyí tẹ́ pera yín ní irú ìyá Mohbad yẹn. Nígbà tẹ́ tún wọ ẹ fẹ́ báyé ilé náà jẹ́ ọmọ 40-year-old. You are a fool at 40 is a fool forever. Gbọ́ngbọ́n kò dẹ̀ síbi kan fẹ́ni tó bá ń tọrẹ. Ẹ tún fẹ́ bọ́ tàǹsì, ẹ tún sọ kọ́ntọ̀kọ́ntọ̀. You are not my enemy. I told you clearly when you were begging, ẹ ń ṣọ̀tá mi. Ìtìjú gan ló yẹ kó jẹ́ fún yín pé ẹni ń jà fún ọmọ yín. Ayédèrú yín pé negate onítàn, and you think àwọn abiyamọ gidi they will see you as àwọn ọ̀nà support yín. Àwọn tó lè gbogbo àwọn tẹ́lẹ̀ support yín wọ́n stop kí case máa dèyà adájọ́. Àwọn tó support yín case máa dèyà adájọ́. Àwọn tó support yín wọ́n ní ká adájọ́ máa mú. Normally adájọ́ yẹn tó bá fẹ́ support yín tó bá lọ kọ́ lọ bá dájọ́ pé I just go home, I give you bail. The judge never did that. He gave a proper bail condition. If you meet it, tó bá meet ẹ̀ Friday ṣé kò ní meet ẹ̀jọ̀ Monday ṣé kò ti sùn bẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ̀ tó ti lọ láti Wednesday Thursday Friday ó ti sùn bí kan tẹ́lẹ̀ náà, so kò ṣe pé bóyá kò sùn bẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ ó ti sùn bẹ̀ kí wá ní bàbàrà èmi ò ẹ bá parọ́ mọ́ mi o. My attempt is not to say keep him there. My own is don't force àwọn kẹ́mà kó pépà kọjọ fake kẹ́mà fi máa ṣe bí bail condition bí guarantor kò make any sense. The man shekel you are doing it with a police and a reasonable organization is a complainant. So when you come out and Moboya is lack of education or whatever it is, you cannot celebrate against somebody fighting for your own son. If it proof you are deceiving them, or maybe because you just want to satisfy the king of a person, commander and let it follow story or anywhere. But case is here better. You don't know how long. I'm a witness to Makwani. And how will he even establish his own case? When defender when he starts, then you will know that I only come back for Bolo and Germany. And then there was that saying, go and look for a way to get out of this stuff. Because I want to see the witness that you want to bring and say, I was duly invited. Invite you to where? How? ẹjọ́ tó rò láàárọ̀ tó jàre tó wá dalẹ̀ tó ní bàbá kẹ́ẹ̀pẹ́. So hello, go and look for more knowledge. Granting of bail is your right. It's not somebody that I will block, or any judge or any court staff will say awalaje kori bail. It is your right. Don't make eru. Bail is your right. It's a fundamental right. And sheru. You want to sunu sell for the job 48 hours. And you're still celebrating that one for any right, and you are making him, and you want to groom a young boy. You just destroy the boy's life. Don't try that nonsense. You saw my movement. Oh, mama, and I changed. I saw all of you. You changed your direction and you went to look for incredible stuff. More make attempt to bring down your gidiwa here. Do it later. Okay, go and verify later. Let's just go. Why would I stop anybody from talk about Baby lady? She calling back one day. So, and so it's on your making back. Talk about us on your making kid. Prison. What's my business in that? Talk about that job. I'm over here. My umala boni lo. So I case. I case 5 years. But by the time you begin to spend money on this case, what for I go to you? Come we can package it in case you wear anyway. Because people will deceive you. Go and worsen your own case. Make attempts like one or be a kubara easy. So am I come out on you? To God be the glory. We're able to secure Arifa's bail too. And Arifa is in his house too. Which is simple. The man is just loading here. And Arifa is out. It is his right. It doesn't mean at the end of the day, Arifa, he will still meet with the complainants. They will look at the matter. And then they will look for means to say, is it possible to... So that is what we're talking about. So I keep calm. Alarm only do any time. I don't know why she's not even at the coroner inquest today. Because easy the police were like, they called him to come. They invited him. They tried to call him Kogbo. And the police said, I won't go. And when it was time to pick him up, they picked him up. And I said, if I don't do that again, if police invite you, if you cannot make it at the time they invited you, notify them that they should give you another time. But only find a way to honor the police invitation. No more shifting of dates. Come. Go. Police will even respect you more if they invite you and you turn yourself in. Because invitation is not a crime. It doesn't mean that you have committed a crime. No matter what the person writes in the petition. When you know that, I don't know who invited, I don't know why they invited me, I don't know who wrote the petition. If you're a law-abiding person, go there. They want to hear your own side. Although police are not maniacs. They are human beings that reason well. If they write petition against you, no matter how sweet the petition is, they will have to hear from your side. But when they give you opportunity to defend yourself and you start saying, and you're saying jabba, they will know, oh, no. Then this person have a legitimate grounds against you. And then they proceed, if necessary, to court. But if they can settle it amongst, between both of you, ADR amongst you guys, they will. If ADR can surface. So, social media. The right thing that needs to be done. And I thank God. I want to say thank you to the Assistant Inspector General of Police. Thank you so much for all you do. We appreciate you, sir. and to the Commissioner of Police in Lagos State. I had one or two things too today. Thank you so much, sir. It shall be counted for you too. But I will tell you guys for free. Keep your fingers crossed. And on a last note, on this particular topic, going forward, thank you so much, Cross Queen. Going forward, I'm going to beg you guys. Teba notice, most times when I don't discuss my moves, Lori B, or Kiwama, so come and donate, I succeed and I move and I'm almost going to get results. So going forward, but you understand, and the label, the only negative things that can slow down this justice for Mohbad is when we come on this place to discuss or update or say come and donate to us for this and this. But you don't slow down and work more. So please, going forward from tomorrow, I would rather talk, shut you up. I would even start drama now, and they will know. Let them do whatever they want to do with me. In fact, anybody can be doing anything with me behind. Even if they put me for sale, I might not even say anything else. But I will continue. I can promise you for free, 101% Justice Mohbad is coming by the special grace of Almighty. And the whole process is going on fully. The police are not turning back. They are determined. And what that is for Mohbad. Also, in terms of this investigation that we are starting, if truly you are Mohbad's mother, you must be on the same page of everybody looking for justice for your son. And she said yes. So maybe she was also deceiving the police. Maybe now they will know. I don't know. But at the end of the day, with or without Mama Mohbad, they will pursue justice for Mohbad, and it will come because we need substantial evidence. You cannot charge people to court without evidence. As in, you must be able to prove the case beyond reasonable doubt. And that is what this whole process of investigation is going. So ignore. Remove the old idea, the archaic idea that when they arrest anybody on any investigation, that person should be in police station indefinitely. No. Elomi, what a funny bail. Don't forget that this same Adura, he was at the same command like 3 or 4 weeks ago. They allowed him to go. They wanted him to come back. He didn't come. What happened? They went to pick him. Now they gave him another, say go again. That time they didn't collect. I don't want to be saying all these things. Okay, so whatever it is, one come on, bail normal. Come on, I want to. Nothing is going on. No, and that is I'm going to be telling you for free. So going forward, I may not until so please trust in Almighty God. Don't even trust me. But I would never back down. Thank you so much, Shine. I will never back down in this cause. I have gone too far that I'm going to say I want to turn back. Move follow my brother, nothing. I cannot. As in, my entire DNA now is ungotten. So the only thing they will do is do the normal abuse. Anything they want to do with me, let's just go on. Like I'm saying, I just want to focus on getting justice for the young man. The mother claimed she wants justice for her son. And I know the father wants justice for his son. I want to believe, by extension, I can't speak for any other person, but I know certainly that any other person, at least the parents cannot say they don't want justice for the son. You know they're going to support the woman. So, whatever it is, they might not find justice. Ajumobi okotanu, anytime that we are blood means that you would pity me and you would go all out for me. It doesn't really matter. And that is that's the difference in how God thinks and operates. If you don't do, God will raise another person to do. So blood is not family. It is your conduct, our conduct towards each other. It's quite funny. When they are saying justice for Mohbad, Adura wa nu court to be throughout. Don't wo. And it's part of his psychological stuff. What he wo pe King White man losing game to White man in the brown. Don't wo pe mo ku o. Egbon de sọ pé nothing go happen to me. Egbon man no lọ re. Egbon re. I am saying, at the end of the day, it is needed for the boy to see that those people promising you, I am your mother, nothing will happen to you. I am King White, nothing will happen to you. O ti ní nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wọn. Orí mọ́mí ẹ̀ ló ti fi style Bebe. Orí pé King White ló ti ń kákò. And the beauty of it is not because I am interested in a person. It's because the paths they were both touring, it's not noble. So, come understand. Wàá sọ fún wọn ní pé ọmọ, even me that I'm wearing white, that I'm putting king in my name, if I can be charged to court. I can be sentenced if I don't do well. I have to be doing what is not criminal. I have to be at peace with everybody. I'm doing human rights. I can't be put into cell. I can't be sent to human rights. I won't know the human rights because she won't go on. If Mandela was sent to prison, he is the father of human rights. Who did human rights? Jesus himself was sent to prison. Jesus, Tojo Molon, was sent to prison. So it is part of the mental torture. It's for that boy to reason well, because nobody is above the law. He will never teach the boy that, and you are putting white go to get punky. So he now understand that gbogbo galigale ó nínú commerçant kan ló ṣì lò. Ìyá ọkọ̀ fi tẹ̀ kó bá woman yẹn lápá kan máa tún bí ti ìyá bẹ́ẹ̀ bá mi ìròbó wẹ̀ láti gẹ̀ta tó aṣọ tọ́wọ́ yẹn náà lọ sí wọ̀ ṣé yẹn gan tó kéèyàn ṣàánú yàn ṣé yẹn ni màá ní pé kọ́ múrò ọmọ yẹn síbẹ̀ because mi ò ní kankan tí fẹ́ fẹ́ àdúrà I send it to her face ṣé wọ́n á fẹ́ grant àdúrà bẹ́ẹ̀lì màá ní kọ́ máa grant ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀lì irú abiyamọ wo ni mí when the investigation is still going on. Correctional investigation, these are different kind of investigation that will go back to memory lane. Wọ́n lè ṣiṣẹ́ lọ gbátó dẹ̀ sí débẹ̀ ṣíkẹ́lá fẹ́ máa dìímú fún mẹ́ kọ́ máa rìn kiri ní gbogbo zone 2 kọ́ máa ẹ lọ wẹ̀ kẹ́ mọ́mọ́ iná lọ kó lọ ṣe gbẹ̀ ẹ padà wá tẹ́ bá sọ pé ìtúni mo padà wá tẹ́ bá nídìí ẹ̀ ìyẹn lè máa tún rí fíìmù. So are you jubilating that you are above the law, or the law did not come close to you? Nobody is above the law. And that is why we are preaching and admonishing everybody, no matter who you are, stand on the side of the law. Don't abuse your power. Ẹ má parọ́ pé mo lo agbára wo tí bá fẹ́ Ọlọ́run jẹ́ lóru agbára yẹn náà tí bá lo agbára máa pe prosecutor pé please oppose the bail. I can't do that because I am an advocate of human rights. I support human bail for everybody. Bail is human rights. Go and look at my protest to Panti in case Baba Gesha. But all of you don't see. Go and read the banner. Bail is human rights. The Iyabo Ojo princess there's Taba from Baba Gesha ni bail. And I'm like, are you people the constitution? It's like Masamu judge pé tọ́ba fún King White ní bail kò tiẹ̀ make sense judge ò tiẹ̀ ní dá mi lóhùn ìgbà yẹn ló ṣe máa fún bail ló lè ní má tiẹ̀ lọ mi nídìí ẹni ṣọtí máa lọlé I will give you benefit of the doubt. It's the discretion of the judge. Òfin ò sọ pé it must be a part. He can say go and bring your SS3Y certificate. If you bring it in 2 hours, bring it to my office, then you can go. Tọ́mà parí case ní 1 o'clock àbí 12 o'clock. Tọ́lá ló mú to certificate wá fún judge tó dẹ̀ check it. Go and verify it later. Go home. they will go and verify it. Tó bá jẹ́ fake, ó ti kó bá rẹ̀ o. It's the discretion of the judge. Ọ̀tọ̀ ni tá à ń sọ fún wọn, ọ̀tọ̀ ni tá à ń ṣe. Ẹ má lọ lo àwọn oníkìní yẹn, ẹ lo original ṣọtí fún. Tó bá ṣe verify because a máa lọ verify. Tàbá kọ̀ lọ kọ́ àwọn boys tó kàn jókòó yẹn, and it's a clear message I say. Ọ̀tọ̀ ni tó lọ sórí social media. Ọ̀tọ̀ ni tó sọ, making it look like tàbá ọlọ́mọ àti ẹ̀yà àríná kọ̀ǹgà. And these are people that will say they want to come and tell you, oh yeah, let's see how the case will end. Case to ẹgbẹ́, it's quite sad. Ẹ máa ṣe lọ kẹ́ máa kó bára yín lọ, èmi kọ́, I've told you. Àwọn kan máa tàn yín, you do it, àwọn náà ṣe tiwa, ẹ jẹ́ kó tàn yín. Ẹ understand, ọ̀hún tí mo life. So, to God be the glory. Àwọn tí wọ́n ti kọ sínú àwọn tó kọ sínú petition Tarifa ó pọ̀ ṣé nǹkan fún wa ṣe ń sìn pẹ̀lú justice Mohbad. Smoke loud, no. Alright guys, don't forget 10th of April we're going to be having a human rights summit, and now it's now added on the 15th of April is the case Lagos State the Commissioner of Police versus King White with clear-cut evidence. I wish him best of luck. The teacher again. I think we'll go. I think also in well. Against Adura Ken. Adura has not been charged, yo. Naimoli. Power tap. Wọ́n ti fẹ́ gbé lọ. Hello. 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 Well, follow. Fine. All right, sir. Good. Let's go. What's wrong with this stuff, man?